Okay, we got a request from our client to take a look at the weather widget on GilmoreLance.org. So let's see what we can do. First, we confirm that yes, there is a problem. Then we log into the WordPress backend, just WP admin. And right away, as soon as we log in, we notice that we are desperately behind on plugin updates. Some of these are critical. Yeah. We gotta update all of these. So let's update these plugins and hope against hope that nothing breaks. And the site that we have, the theme that we use for our WordPress was last updated this month. So we've got a new version to download here and to install. So updating the plugins and also updating the website theme. That's important. We have a bit of a problem here. We are using the parent theme and not the properly installed child theme. So in order for me to update to the new version 4 of Newsmag that's out, I will need to replace the current theme, possibly losing out on many of the customized settings saved erroneously in this layer and not the layer that can stay. I don't need to replace the child theme with the new version. I do need to replace the parent theme. So normally you want all of your settings saved on the child theme so that when I have to erase this, we don't lose everything. But for safety and functionality, we have to keep updating the base. So even if we lose out on some of our newspaper's functionality, security takes precedence and we've got to upgrade. So typically, if this was a little bit more of a heavy traffic website, we'd put up like a temporary under construction page. But instead, I'm going to do this very quickly. I'm just going to activate an alternative theme like this. Go to this current theme and delete the theme. My goodness, are you serious? Yes, I just did it. And then add new and upload the theme that I just downloaded from my vendor. And hope for no complications on the upload. Very nerve-wracking. Yep, error happened. That's not good. Okay, recovered, and the child theme is now active. The zip file was here, not I was uploading the wrong file. This was the file that I was looking for. Now the child theme is active. Let's take a look at the website and let's see how it looks. Alright, we're still looking pretty normal here. Navbar might have taken a hit. So we're going to have to rebuild a couple things. But this is working. Where's our weather widget? It's not even showing now. So technically the problem's solved. No, not really. So we're going to have to tidy that up. The new version has a newsletter option that may be useful, by the way. Under Newsmag plugins, we can install that and investigate. We can start researching how this works just by Googling around. So that's an option. As for the weather widget, I've gone to Appearance and Widgets, and I found this, and I sent it. You could just drag and drop it over here, or you can press this button. It should appear. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I'll reorder it to the top and then unset things up. I'll just leave all that around. Default, I don't care. Weather, there we go. Alright, I need to get an API key, apparently. Okay, so this weather thing has changed, and so now I need to find... Yeah, so I need to set things up a little bit. So I'll just read this documentation, figure out how to get an API key. Alright, got my API key added up. Those instructions were easy enough. Let's see if it works. Okay, so now that's all sorted out. However, we now have some navigation issues that we need to work out. In addition, someone's got to watch what's new with Newsmag 4, see what kind of features that you'd like. So let's write up some requests and I can have my web design class try to update the school newspaper, add some new stuff, and we can do that in conjunction with any journalists that are interested in the web issue. Cool. So let me know, and I'll send these links along.